Hello, you beautiful Virgos. Welcome back to my channel. In case if you're new here, then hi, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this particular page, on this channel, you are going to find your weekly and monthly zodiac readings, some fun pick a card readings about love, relationships, a marriage, children, career, health, and so much more. So, my dear Virgo, if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my future videos. Disclaimers. These readings, my dear Virgos, are general readings and may not resonate with all. In case if it doesn't resonate with you, do not forget to check out other zodiac readings as per your sun, moon, rising, or the Venus signs. Also remember that these readings are timeless readings because time is fluid, my dear. So you will watch this video whenever you're meant to watch it. All right, Virgo. So let's get this party started. I've made some 4 messages for you from the universe, which I will pick up after we finish your cards. All right, Virgos, we start with the world. All right. So, your love relationship reading starts with a wonderful card, the world card, which means that whatever relationship you are in right now or the one that you are going to get into, it is a relationship that is meant for you. All right. With this relationship, you are going to find fulfillment in your life, settlement in your life, and this particular relationship is blessed by the universe and the angels. All right, my dear Virgos, I also see with 7 of Cups that there's a lot of illusion or daydreaming that you do. You live in you like to live in a dream world, whatever your situation is, whether it is your relationship, career, whatever it is in life, you love to dream about it. All right, you live in an illusional world more than the reality world, and whatever you think, you make that your reality. Is that what you do in your relationship? You have a lot of expectations in your relationship, is what I feel, Virgos. Yeah, I see a lot of expectations in your relationship. But I also see that you're very happy and settled in your relationship, Virgos. Whatever your status in your relationship is, I mean, if you're married or in a relationship, you're happy. I do see celebrations. I do see some good news with respect to your relationship. In case if you're single, then you can expect a proposal coming to you very, very soon. 8 of Pentacles tells you that you have worked, you have invested a lot of time, money, energy, and feelings and emotions in this particular relationship, if you are into one, and you are in love, and you love your partner. You love your partner a lot. um, but you don't see the similar reciprocation from your partner sometimes. But I'm getting a feeling that your partner loves you, not that they don't love you. I'm getting a feeling that they do love you, okay? But it's just that you expect a little too much from your partner. I mean, they are also human beings, so I think you need to be a little more, you need to try to strike that balance in what you expect and what they can deliver, because expectations sometimes ruin relationships. So see how much and what all you expect from your partner. Don't be too over, I mean, you do over and above things for them, and don't you expect the same from them. Don't do that, okay? Don't jeopardize your beautiful relationship. Oh my god, the Star. I love this card, the Star card. You are also right now going through some major changes in your life, where time is pushing you to uh, think about how you have been into your relationship, how you have been with your partner. So I was just talking about I was just talking about expectations, and I was also mentioning that you love to live in a delusional world. You love to, you love to daydream. So you expect a lot from your partner, and those expectations are basically nothing but a result of overthinking and living into a dream world, imaginary world, and that has kind of backfired you sometimes. So now so many of backfires are making you think, introspect about your relationship, your partner, and how you have been, your role also into the whole picture of how it has been. But so introspection you're going to do, everything is going to work out And the good thing is that life is pushing you to kind of, towards spirituality. You are on the verge of, a spiritual awakening. You are trying to understand, or you will try to understand, the deeper meanings in life. And somehow I feel that your partner already is a, very spiritually inclined person, and these particular instances in your life right now, in your relationship and your beautiful partner, combined, is going to make you think and move towards spirituality and spiritual growth. Okay, the message is from Archangel. We have the Wheel card for you. It's interesting. New beginnings are there for you. End of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. Of course, yes. So there's a change in direction. It offers happiness, new beginnings for you. Of course, if you introspect and see how you have reacted and responded to situations with respect to your partners in this relationship, how have you responded and expected things from them? If they're not able to meet your expectations, which are sometimes way too unfair expectations, so then you have been disappointed in the past, and you kind of build up that pressure on your partner. But off late you will realize that, and you will also bring about that change in you, where you will keep a check on how much and what all you expect from your partner, not in a negative sense, but in a positive sense, in order to make your life and your relationship more beautiful and more easier for both of you. All right, the Eight of Raphael says there is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you. A spiritual quest, a spiritual quest, a spiritual quest. All right, spiritual quest, spiritual growth, spiritual connection written all over your cards. King of Michael tells you principled, rational, ambitious, respected. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Wisdom and objectivity. Wisdom is important now. Stay in your integrity, a situation that calls for honest and open communication. All right, that calls for an honest and open communication. So whatever you have been feeling, in case if you realize that you have been a little over, mm you've gone overboard with expecting from your partner, then you need to communicate with them. Maybe sit, make them understand that this is how things have been and this is how I want to take things now. So it's going to open a nice window between you and your partner. Anyways, they love you and they will understand you, I'm quite sure. Most valuable thing in love is time. Most valuable thing in love is time. uh, Meditate. Yes, you need to meditate. You need to introspect, is what I have been telling. So, you need to meditate. Meditation is something that goes with your spiritual quest, spiritual awakening. Meditation definitely is there. Together forever. You guys are meant to be together forever. And anyways, you've got the World card, you've got the Wheel card, and you've got the Star card. So this relationship is meant to be. You are together forever, my dear Virgos. Communicate your feelings. Open and honest communication. So definitely communication, written all over. Spiritual growth written all over. So you have your answers, Virgo, and you know what to do, and you will do what is required to do. All right, my dear Virgos, all the best to you guys. If this reading resonates with you, do leave comments in the comments section, and I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Until then, please do take very good care of yourselves, my dear Virgos. Bye bye.